Okay, so now let's talk about power in AC. Now, because the voltage or the current will vary sinusoidally, okay, whether it's voltage or current, it will vary sinusoidally. So your power will also vary. Lah. So how will it vary? Now, remember the formula for power is either I squared R or V squared OR. So you got to square this. So when you square this, the graph you will get like this. So you will not get a negative anymore because you're squaring it. Alright, so you'll be a sine squared graph because your original graph for V and I is sine, so your power is a sine squared graph. So the power will fluctuate between 0 and maximum all the time, right? So therefore, what will happen is you will be able to find the average power. How? By finding the half of the peak. You see that? So the first formula we can use is like this. Oh yeah. Before I show you the detail. So if you take half of the maximum power, you will get the average one. Okay, that's the relationship. Now let's sidetrack a bit to your power formulas in DC. In your AS, you learn the formula for power as what? For DC. Power equals to VI or I squared R or V squared over R. Okay, now if you remember these formulas, you can use it straight away for the average power of your AC. Example, now we leave this for a while. Let's talk about the formula for average power for an AC. So this is for AC. So if you want to use the average power for AC, you can use back the same formulas as your DC, but you just have to use RMS instead of your DC values, because your RMS value is supposed to be equals to your DC values that will give you the same average power anyway. So the formula will be VRMS IRMS squared R or VRMS squared over R. So you're using RMS values lah. Or if you remember, we said that your average is half of your maximum power. So that means you can also come up with another formula which is half of the maximum power. So maximum power will be equals to half V naught I naught or half I naught squared over R or half V naught squared over R. Alright, so don't forget, you can either use RMS or use peak. If you use peak, then you must put the half in front. So this is to find the average power for a sinusoidal AC.